Many, many congratulations for receiving this Excellence in Teaching Award. You are a great mentor, I must say. You played such an instrumental role as a GFP, not Green Fluorescence protein, but a guide, friend, and philosopher in illuminating my research career. Thanks a lot for inspiring all of us continuously. Have a good day, sir. Thank you.
Many congratulations for the great achievement, sir, and you are well deserved from IIT Bombay. It's a proud moment for me as a first student to share my experience, and I myself learned many new things from you during my PhD. As the author said that a good teacher is like a good entrepreneur. You need to grab the student attention before you teach anything. But in the era of internet, it's very difficult to grab the student attention in the classroom. I strongly believe that you introduced the third generation or third dimensional concept of teaching in the IIT by bringing the practical experience and the hands-on experience into the classroom while teaching the theoretical concept. This three-dimensional teaching concept is very effective in grabbing the student attention as well as conveying the concept effectively. So with this, I believe that in near future you will bring a many variety of concepts to effectively teach the students in IIT. So moreover, I know you personally, you are very passionate, dedicated, and very creative in bringing the new concept in both research as well as in the teaching, which will definitely advantage for the IIT Bombay. Once again, hearty congratulations, and I'm wishing you very best for your future awards in the teaching as well as in the research. Thank you so much.
Hi, many congratulations. I got to know that you received the Best Teachers Award, and I must say that it has not come as a surprise to me because I have attended a few of your lectures, and one of them that I distinctly remember was on ethical practices in research writing. It was held in FC Kohli Auditorium, and I still remember that it was very engaging and effective. And I think I told you the same later that day. It was clearly visible how much effort and research you must have put in for preparing for that one lecture. So guess what I'm trying to say is that it's well deserved. Once again, many congratulations, and wishing you many more such honors in the future.
Hello, sir. Many congratulations on receiving this prestigious award. The both of us would just like to use this opportunity to thank you for the kind of impact that you've had in our lives. Much of what we are today as scientists is all thanks to you. We are extremely lucky to have your mentorship shaping our careers the way it is today. We see the kind of revolution that's going on in the lab in terms of your lab representing Indian proteomics in such a big way. We feel extremely proud to be a part of it, and we feel lucky to have experienced that. We hope for the lab to reach greater heights and its students to reach the pinnacle of success exactly the way you dream of it. Thank you, sir, for having faith in us, and many congratulations for this award.
Many congratulations on your big day. I have same things to say as Shabani did. Again, thank you for shaping our careers. Thank you for making us the researchers that we are. Thank you for entrusting us with the biggest responsibilities of the lab in the early stages. To be honest, I'm not even surprised that you're receiving this award. You are meant to get this one because of your hard work, persistence, and focused outlook towards life. Thank you for being such a mentor, and thank you for believing in us. Many congratulations, sir.
Sanjeev Shrivastava, he's one of the prolific teacher. I'm lucky to have him as my teacher. The best thing I learned from sir is research ethics and lab discipline, which I use in my daily scientific practice, and I am really thankful for all the learnings I got from you. And I feel this award is coming a bit late to you, But I'm very happy for the lab and for you, and I wish you many more laurels in the future. Thank you so much, sir.
Firstly, congratulations, sir. So after I completed my masters in 2015, I had registered for two NPTEL courses conducted by Sanjeeva sir on proteomics, and this is how I got the opportunity to work in this lab for 2 years. I have thoroughly enjoyed myself, and I am really grateful for this experience and the exposure provided to me in this lab. Thank you, sir, and congratulations again.
We really appreciate your efforts in making biology one of the interesting subjects for engineering students.
We really enjoyed your classes and hands-on experiments. Also, the NI unit was wonderful.
Greetings from IIT Goa. All of us want to heartily congratulate you on achieving this wonderful award.
Your dedication towards teaching made your classes really informative and enjoyable. We all hope to see you again at IIT Goa.
Congrats.